I'm Bruce Bookman, and I'm the instructor for iOS 12 Swift 4 Deep Dive. In this course, you will learn how to leverage Snapchat's own SnapKit into your app so that you can do augmented reality, you can do Bitmoji, you can do Snapchat style stickers, you can do Snapchat comments, you'll be able to export photo and video to Snapchat. You'll be able to take advantage of Snapchat lenses and Snapchat filters and augmented reality. If Snapchat app can do it, your app will be able to do it. You'll be able to integrate Snapchat login, just like Facebook login or Twitter login for your app. By the end of this course, you will have completely built a demo app that includes Bitmoji Kit, Creative Kit, Login Kit, and all that Snapchat SnapKit has to offer. Integrate the fun of Snapchat into your app. Let's have some fun with Snapchat SnapKit.